Symmetrical molecules means shape is equals to shape of the molecule, or the molecule having an appropriate shape or appropriate geometry. Such molecules are known as symmetrical molecules. For such molecules, mu value always 0, that is dipole moment is 0. Now here I am giving some examples. These are the molecules which are having an appropriate geometries, or without lone pair of electrons around central atoms. So therefore they have a regular shape or regular geometry. So that is the reason why these molecules are known as what? Symmetrical molecules. For example, AB2 type, around A atom there is no lone pair of electrons. So that is reason why beryllium fluoride, chloride, mercury chloride, carbon dioxide, carbon disulfide has sp2 hybridization. So therefore it is what? Mu equals to 0. For example, if I am explaining about this one, if I am explaining about one example of what is that? Carbon dioxide. The central atom is carbon, 2 oxygen atoms are like this. Okay, here oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So therefore this bond moment is shifted towards oxygen. This bond moment is what happened, shifted towards here. Both dipoles are what? Opposite to each other and equal distances. So resultant dipole moment is what? 0. Therefore it is what? Mu equals to 0. Like a same way, without lone pair of electrons around the central atom, without lone pair of electrons around the central atom, if these are having trigonal planar geometry, these are what? All are linear molecules. Which molecules? All are linear molecules, Hg. So therefore there is no lone pair of electrons around central atom. All are which shape? Linear shapes. Which shapes? Linear. All these are which one? Linear shape, that is a regular shape. Which shape? Regular shape. So therefore mu equals to 0. Then coming to this, all these molecules are having which shape? Trigonal planar shape. Trigonal planar shape means around the central atom 3 bonds are arranged equidistances, equal distances. All the dipoles are cancelled to each other around the central atom. So that is the reason why these molecules are known as what? Symmetrical molecules. Dipole moment is 0. Not only that, the another one is AB4 type. In these molecules, the regular shape is which one? Tetrahedral. Which shape it is? Tetrahedral shape. So around the central atom, that is A atom, 4 B atoms are arranged equal distances. So therefore all dipoles are cancelled to each other. Net dipole moment is 0. Examples is which one? Methane dipole moment is always 0. Carbon tetrachloride is 0. So that is the reason why these two molecules are known as non-polar molecules. Earlier I was discussed. Then coming to this AB5, generally whenever AB5 geometry without lone pair of electrons, this is what? Trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal shape. It is also an appropriate geometry. So therefore phosphorus pentafluoride, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus pentabromide has a regular geometry. So around phosphorus no lone pair of electrons. So here is also what? mu equals to 0. Coming to AB6, one example is reported in the literature, that is octahedral geometry. Octahedral geometry. So therefore all bond angle is 90 degrees. So therefore all atoms around central atoms are arranged equal distances. So therefore what happened? Dipole moment is 0. So you have to remember all these examples because they are asking questions from this particular area in entrance examinations. So AB7 equals to which one? Iodine fluoride. It has pentagonal bipyramidal shape. Bipyramidal shape. So therefore only one molecule, that is iodine pentafluoride. So it is also which molecule? Symmetrical molecule. Which molecule? Symmetrical molecule.